Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In today's topic, we will discuss about the basic parts of SAP and we'll discuss about SAP, what SAP is and what is ERP, and then we'll discuss about what ARP do, and then what are the four M's which ARP define. Okay, so let's start the video. First is SAP. What is SAP? SAP stands for System, Application and Products in Data Processing. So this is the full form of SAP. SAP is an ERP package. It means SAP is developed based on ERP package. And what this ERP stands for? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay. And then next is what ERP do. ERP manage the planning in all the department of an organization. It means what are the departments here? For example, sales department, purchase department, production department, quality department, finance department, and HR departments. All the departments ERP manage. And ERP also define four M's and process to utilize all within a company. So what four M's are? Four M's are money, material, machinery, and manpower. So this is the basic introduction of an SAP. Okay. If you want more videos on the any particular topic, then please write us on comment box. We will make a video on that particular topic as well. And thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel and this video as well.